Welcome to day 21 of our craft-along countdown to Christmas. And if you're like me, busy wrapping presents and you run out of ribbon, I'm going to show you today how you can quickly make some ribbon from fabric that you might already have at home. So the first thing to consider is what type of fabric you're using. This won't work with knit fabrics or really stretchy fabrics. It has to be a lightweight kind of woven fabric. I'm going to be using this duck cotton fabric, and works really well for ripping. So I'm just going to start on my selvage end, and I'm going to measure how wide I'm going to make my ribbon. So this is really personal preference if you want a thicker ribbon or a thinner ribbon. I'm going to do a variety of them today. I'm going to start with this 2-inch ribbon. I'm just going to do a small cut, about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch on the selvage end. And then I'm just going to take the two different sides and I'm going to rip. I'm going to rip it all the way to the other selvage end. So it works really best if you rip perpendicular to the selvage ends. And then you're just going to have kind of this raw, unfinished look on both of the sides of your fabric. And I like that. That's kind of the look I'm going for. You could always use your serger or sewing machine and make it a finished end. I like this unfinished look. See how nicely it ripped, and it actually really does it in a really straight line. So that's how simple it is to make your own ribbon. I'll show you one more time here. But first I just wanted to show you, you can just take a wooden dowel or clothespin or even an old ribbon container and just go ahead and wrap your ribbon around that. And it will keep it nice and flat and keep it from wrinkling. And then it's a nice way to store it as well. So super simple. We're going to do it one more time. I'm going to make a slightly smaller ribbon this time. I'm just going to cut my slit at about 1 inch, and then I'm just going to pull apart those two pieces and just rip to the other selvage end. So again, best to rip perpendicular to the salvaged ends, just from one side to the next, and then you can just pull off any threads that are loose, and you're going to have this nice beautiful ribbon with these raw edges, and that is just going to look really pretty on our presents. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and stay in touch. Otherwise, have a great day.